Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to make this super easy stitch. On the first side we have these little seams here which of I formed by while crocheting this little scarf, and it can be used with any of your projects as you wish. So today I'm using a yarn which is a little bit silky, and it's a mixture of cotton and silk yarn. So let's get started. So I'm going to chain 15, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Yarn over, bring in the first loop, second loop, sorry, pull through to make half double crochet, and see this is how it's going to look like. So we're going to chain 2 from here, 1, 2, turn our work. So we're going to leave this side on front side on our side and yarn over, and as you can see we have this the behind loop here. Pull through that way, you can see this is how it's going to look like. Come right over here. Chain 2. Then I'm going to go the back side. I'm going to come right here. Second loop here. Come right over here. As you can see, this is how it's going to look like. We have our seams here, and on the back it's like this as well. See that? So I'm going to do one more row. This is how it's going to look like. We have a seam here and this one over here. If you look on this side, we have this one over here, and here this one over here. From the back, this is how it's going to look like. I have the seam over here and this one over here, so this is how it's going to look like. Bedroom. This one is the same seam I made, but it's only that I'm using a silk yarn, and this can be used for your scarves, for your projects, or your pillows or blankets, or maybe baby blankets or a gift, as you wish you can make. And I hope you like this video. Till next time, bye bye, and please don't forget to share, like and subscribe. Bye bye.